Very important for the students to come together to celebrate our culture, our identity and our way of life as Tiprasa people. And I also want to thank TSF. I'm seeing a good change. You have a young president, you have a Jawatia, you have a Koloi, you have a Deb Barma. This is a good way of keeping Thansa. Thansa should be when even the smallest community feels that they are given a chance in the Tiprasa Doha. So I want to thank you for that. It's a very good gesture. And also very nice to see a female vice president. We never give up Burui people chance. So it's nice to see a female vice president. And I want to thank that. I think there are some guests from outside. Some who have come from different parts. Some who have come from Karbi Anglong. I want to say welcome to all of you as well. I don't want to take much of your time. मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं दूँगा, हम किसी को सकला. I just heard when I came, I heard Lawrence Rakhwal speak about the Tiprasa situation. We can blame everyone. We can blame political parties. We can blame people from Bangladesh. But we have to also look at what have we created to ourselves. We have become a copycat of all the wrong things which we should not do. We have taken all the negative things that our community, our Dopa should not have taken, and we have taken the bad habits. When I talk about bad habits, I'm not talking about drugs. Drugs is a serious problem, but there are worse habits which have come into our society. Jealousy, ego, corruption, the sense of quick money, selfish, and all these things have broken our Thansa, have broken the concept of brotherhood or sisterhood. And today, if we are weak, 50% can be the blame of people who came from another country. 50% is also our mistake. I have seen in my time as a Tipra Motha leader, I have seen leaders who were farmers, who were poor people. I picked these people up, I made them leaders. Today, how many of our leaders, not from Tipra Motha, but from IPFT also, from CPM also, from Congress also, from BJP also, how many of our leaders who has come from a poor village, gone to their own village, they have all bought houses in Agartala. We are very good in giving speeches, but we don't follow it up in action. The other day I spoke in the council. I said our minds are not pure, our hearts are not clean, and our vision is blurred because we look at short-term profit, not long-term vision. You all here are young people. I have fought for you, and I will continue to fight for you. But I'm not sure if I'll fight for every one of you who wants to be in politics. Many people will be shocked, but I will take certain decisions very soon. I don't want to be in politics. I don't want to be in Tipra Motha. I don't want to be in the ADC. I'm already Bubagra. Have you invited me here today because I'm an MDC?
No.
Have you invited me? आपने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया है क्योंकि मैं MDC हूँ कि बुबागरा बन के बुलाया है? बुबागरा, no. Am I here because I'm a Tipra Motha politician, or I'm here because I'm Bubagra? Bubagra. Then if I have to help my people, why should I continue to be in ADC or as a Tipra Motha member? I did not enter politics to make money. I entered politics to help my people. I entered politics to have a good name, credibility. But today, the longer I stay in politics, you lose credibility. क्या पैसा है? पैसा तो भगवान ने, God has given me. But today, by being in politics, by being in power, you cannot help your people. When I can't help all of you all, despite being in power or despite being in politics, then why should I continue to be in that? I can be a bigger help when I don't have the trap of political parties. No, Bubagra, you cannot say this. बुबागरा ये बोलेगा तो हमारा ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा. बुबागरा ये आपने बोला तो हमको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. बुबागरा ये बोला तो बीजेपी गुस्सा हो जाएगा, कांग्रेस गुस्सा हो जाएगा. मैं क्या यहाँ में बीजेपी को खुश करने आया हूँ? मैं कांग्रेस को खुश करने आया हूँ कि अपने तिपरासा को कुछ होप देने आया हूँ? Lawrence, you spoke about, I'll give you an example. You spoke about UPSC. Cyril is an IAS officer. His father lives in Darlong. He is from Nepal. He is an IAS officer. But for a Tiprasa to pass a UPSC, you have to give an exam. Only in the state of Assam and Tripura, you have to appear in Bengali language. Otherwise, from Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, you have an option of a local language or alternative English. This time, in the cabinet, I called up the chief minister and I said, you know, in the judicial exam, in the law judicial exam, till 2018, we had Tiprasa, Kokorok and alternative English as a choice. Tha choice. 2019 में कंपल्सरी बंगाली लिख दिया. 2019 से 2024 तक एक स्टूडेंट पास नहीं हुआ लॉ में, और सिंगल स्टूडेंट इज पास. आई टोल्ड द चीफ मिनिस्टर, यू हैव टू चेंज इट. He's ruling. But who made that law? The law was passed when the law secretary was a Tiprasa himself. He made that law. तो हमारा दुश्मन कौन है? Who's our enemy? It is very easy to blame someone. We have to also look at our own mistakes and our vulnerabilities. You'll be glad to hear, Lawrence, and all our students, you want to appear for law now. The choice of alternative English and Kokorok has been included. So from now on, it is not necessary for a Tiprasa student, indigenous student, to appear in only Bengali language. That option has been changed. It happened 6 days ago. But Lawrence, I'll tell you one more thing. When I said that it should be Kokorok and alternative English, one of my own leaders, no Maharaj, it should not be alternative English. It should only be Kokorok. I said, but there are Chakmas, there are Ranglongs, Darlongs, Chores, Mok. There are other communities, Ranghols, who don't speak Kokorok. Why should we do what happened to us? Why should we also inflict it upon them? And they say, no, they have to understand the language. This is called small chikonat. This is called us doing the same thing which happened to us. So what does that show about our leadership? We are very good, as somebody said, हम लोग एक्टिंग में बहुत अच्छे हैं. अरे एक्टिंग अच्छा करना है तो बाहर के आदमी के सामने करो ना. अपने लोगों को सामने एक्टिंग करके क्यों बेवकूफ बना रहे हो अपने लोगों को? उसको एक्टिंग नहीं, उसको 420 बोलो. I have seen many leaders, and I am telling you this because you are a young student. What I speak here in front of the camera, I speak in front of Delhi. That day Yogi Adityanath came, they were talking about, some leaders said that Hindu के हाथ में त्रिशूल होना चाहिए, बड़ा कलम होना चाहिए. This is not the culture of Tripura. I speak whatever is in my heart. I don't change my language when I meet Amit Shah, Modi or Rahul Gandhi. But I have seen our leaders. They speak इतना अच्छा से बोलता है करबुक में, बांग्लादेशी को पैक, ओमपी में, तेलियामुरा में, कंचनपुर में, no land, no rest. The moment they come in Agartala in front of a non-Tiprasa leader, sir, taka dile hoye jabe sir. Sir, আমার ট্রান্সফার চাই স্যার, আমার ভিডিও ভালো মানুষ নয়, আমি ট্রান্সফার চাই স্যার, উনি আমার কাজ করছে না। इन लोगों को लीडर किसने बनाया? बागरा ने बनाया। लेकिन आज मैं देखता हूं क्या है क्वालिटी। दिस इज द क्वालिटी। So I saw that you all are young generation. I see that you all have sense of confidence. But I will take certain decisions which may hurt the ADC, which may hurt Tripura Motha party, but it will not hurt my Tiprasa community. Now that is a leader. And what Tripura needs is not a politician. What Tripura needs is a leader. What Tiprasa people need is less politics and more activism. What we need is less divide and more thansa. And if I think me being in politics is not helping my people, I will continue to be Bhubagra. I'll continue to help you all. I will give scholarship. I will travel entire state of Tripura. I'll meet my people, but I will make people understand that we have to think differently from other states. The speaker before me said the chief minister of Nagaland is a Naga. The chief minister of Meghalaya is either a Khasi or a Garo or a Jaintia. The chief minister of Arunachal is an Arunachali. The chief minister of Tripura is not a Tiprasa. 1950 में क्या प्रॉब्लम था? We became democracy in 51. That time Tiprasa people were 50-50. What happened in 61? We were still 45%. Why did we become chief minister? Now we are 28-30%. But when we were 50%, 55%, 45%, why didn't we become chief minister? Because it's a nature to fight with each other. मैंने अपने आंखों से देखा that there is no love for a Tiprasa inside Tripura. When you go to Bangalore, when you come to Shillong, then nobody says आप रियांग हैं, आप देवर्मा हैं, आप कलोई हैं, आप जमातिया हैं, कोई नहीं पूछता। तो that's why यहाँ में कहाँ से है? Tripura, everybody knows. Bangalore, best friend of a Dev-Burma is a Riang, best friend of a Riang is a Koloi, best friend of a Rangkhol is a Ranglong. We are all friends because we are all identified as Tripura. But in Tripura, I am a Dev-Burma from Kamalpur. I am Vishramganj का Dev-Burma. I am Ompi का जमातिया, वो अमरपुर का है, वो किल्ला का है, वो कंचनपुर का रियांग, शांतिर बाजार का रियांग से अलग है। Raina Valley Tripura is different from Julai Valley Tripura. What is this? What is this? You are washing your clothes. You are exposing your weakness in front of the whole world, and that's why we are weak. You want to be a chief minister? You can never become a chief minister if you show your weakness to the outside people. ठीक हो सका? कुछ गलत बोल रहा हूँ? नहीं, आपको कुछ भांग भी खाया क्या? आवाज नहीं है? कुछ गलत बोल रहा हूँ?
नहीं सर।
And the day I leave ना, और जिस दिन मैं छोड़ूंगा ना, then you will remember बुबागरा क्या कर रहा था। ZDO एग्जाम हो, सब ZDO एग्जाम हो, जूनियर इंजीनियर एग्जाम हो, You know what I wanted to do? I wanted to give written exam, interview, so that people will get jobs. For 25 years, people have come because I voted for CPM. आया जाओ, चाकरी नहीं आ जाओ. ना इंटरव्यू, ना रिटन टेस्ट. सिर्फ आपने CPM को वोट दिया, नौकरी मिल गया. I tried to change the system. करते जाओ चेंज सिस्टम. क्वेश्चन पेपर लीक, ये लीक, वो लीक, ये लीक. Now I know why this leak happens. Greed. Now what do I do? किसको विश्वास करें? You go to a school in Tripura. ADC run school. One school, 10 students, 4 teachers. You know how much a teacher's salary? 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. Class 9 pass. ये for Apple नहीं बोल सकता. And all you young people here, you go and ask for a job. I try to give you jobs. You go and ask for jobs. You work in Holy Cross, Don Bosco, Sacred Heart, wherever. 15,000, 12,000, वो नौकरी मिल रहा है. Graduate, BA pass, MA pass, you get 12,000, 14,000, 15,000. And class 9 pass for 20 years is getting 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. Who's suffering? Our own children are suffering. Politics करना है, करो ना politics. College में करो politics. School में आप politics करते हो, you spoil the quality of our next generation. I said नहीं, let me get people like you jobs. Officers allow ही नहीं करता. Tipra Saab, what I have said. I've signed the Tipra Saab. BJP party. I'm watching them. And my patience, आप हमको धोखा देना दे दो. हमारा Tipra Saab को धोखा देगा तो उनको भी सबक बुबाकर सिखाएगा. और ऐसा सबक सिखाएगा कि देवल उनका बाप भी याद आएगा. अंके बोनी किरिया, हम किसी तरह का नहीं है. You know why? Because all of you here, you are my support, not a politician. You all are my support. I'm fighting for you all. और जो यहाँ पे पेरेंट्स है, माँ बाप है, advisors है, not all. There are many good advisors also. But some senior people, आप लोग कभी बदलने वाला नहीं. आप लोग कभी नहीं बदलेंगे. आंख से आंसू 2 मिनट में निकल जाता है, लेकिन दिल से वो आवाज नहीं आता आपको कि we have to be united. इसके लिए पॉलिटिशियन के आसपास घूमते रहते हैं. अपना आपका अब जो अपना वजन नहीं जानता है ना, people who don't know their weight, वो हमेशा अपना आपको हल्का करेंगे. When you go, when you negotiate, you should know what is your value. Our people don't know our own value. We always sell each other because our greed is here. If Tripura, you said we have to reclaim our glory in our past. If Tripura has to come up, it cannot come up with political parties or politicians alone. It has to come up with the younger generation getting a better future. What is our policy? What is our vision? Paul, you are here. You were the opposition for 1.5 years. Now we are in alliance. सबका सामने बोल रहा हूं. आपको मुंह में ताला लग गया ना, ताला को तोड़ो, ताला को तोड़ना पड़ेगा। मैं तो जो मेरे दिल में आएगा मैं तो बोलूंगा। मैं ना किसी का गुलाम था, ना गुलाम हूं, ना गुलाम रहूंगा। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ स्लेव टू ऑल दिस। And this same thing which I am telling you, I have told all my MLAs and MDCs. If they are not going to help my people, I am going to walk out. If they are not going to help my people, I am going to walk out. If you want to come with me, come. If you don't want to come with me, I will alone walk out. But I will let them know that the real power of Bubagra is not his MLAs and MDCs, is the next generation. I will let everyone know. You are my real power, not my MLAs, not my MDCs. Time will come. सबका टाइम आता है। 100 सुनार का, 1 लोहार का। Every dog has a day. We are not dogs. We are people who have right. This is our land. This is your state. This is your state which you have ruled for 1,000 years, not one family, all of us. Today, if I have to beg to get what is basic for our people, if I have to beg to get a language recognized, if I have to beg to get a patta recognized, if I have to beg for a constitutional rights, then I might as well die fighting than live by becoming a beggar. What I am saying here, जो मैं यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ, इसका रिजल्ट आपको अगले 3 महीने में दिखाई पड़ेगा। तब भी बहुत सीरियस लोग बोलेंगे, अरे बुबागरा क्यों किया ये बुबागरा? क्योंकि आप लोग पॉलिटिक्स के बाहर सोच ही नहीं सकते। आपको लगता है कि यही ठीक है, चाय में नमक डालो, थोड़ा सा चीनी डालो। सोसाइटी में नमक चीनी डालने से चाय में कुछ नहीं बनता। But I am going to do what is relevant and what is the truth. And I am going to stick with the truth. I am going to fight for the truth. And in the name of God, I will fight for all of you all. And you will see what happens before the next 1.5-2 years. And जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ regarding jobs, these people who are collecting, who don't want you all to get jobs today in the state government or in the ABC, who are these people? Are they from outside? No. They are our own people. But if we have to come up, आपके पॉकेट में पैसा आना पड़ेगा. You will have to see a better tomorrow. Drugs का, I saw this entire skip. Drugs का. Drugs is a menace. I was just telling Cyril, drugs is a menace in our society. But हम लोग हमेशा छोटा मछली को पकड़ते हैं. जिसने दुर्गा राठौर को मारा, is that person in jail in Tripura? We all know who brings drugs in Tripura. They are politicians, they are leaders. But you will only catch the small fish. छोटा लोग को पकड़ेंगे, बड़ा आदमी को कभी नहीं पकड़ेंगे. क्यों? System is corrupt. If you want to come up, you have to tell your friends. यहाँ में किसी ने क्या सिगरेट लेके सब लोग हू क्या? अगर आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनना है ना, मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग बनो. Be mentally strong. Have faith in yourself. Many people go to church every Sunday, but they come out and they do all the wrong things. Many people go to temple. They do the puja, they come out, they do all the wrong things. The problem is not the church or the temple. The problem is how much are you listening to your heart. So all these drugs, all this, now people are into cocaine, people are into heroin, brown sugar, yaba tablets. HIV is spreading in our villages. These things will destroy your future. And when you are over, What is the use of Bubagra fighting for all of you all? Am I fighting for Tiprasa people or am I going to fight for people who are into drugs? And women, you have a very strong role. You are a mother, you are a sister, you are a wife, you are a daughter. And you are not a commodity. आप किसी का ये नहीं है कि अरे side thought रखो. Women, all of you all, you are in Nagaland. If somebody is caught drinking, the Naga Mothers Association come and give a danda. In Mizoram, the same thing. In Shillong, whenever there is a problem, you see the Sinjuk Seng Samla come and they control the thing. In Tripura, जब बेटा ड्रग्स में है, मार हो रहा है, रोने से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. थोड़ा सा उठना भी सीखो. और आपको उठाने वाला कोई नहीं है, आपको खुद उठना पड़ेगा. The TSF started in 1968. Just now, Hamalu was saying, what can we do to unite all the students? Hamalu, first unite the Tiprasa people. They say success has many fathers, failure is an orphan. When you are successful, everybody will follow you. When you are a failure, everybody will say, okay, bye, tata, goodbye. So first, try to unite the students. Whether it is a scholarship issue, I went with you for the scholarship issue. Whether it is a students' hostel, whether it is anything which has got to do with the students' welfare, I am with you. But you have to also, not only you, everyone, the president, everyone, you all also have to understand that we cannot wake up one day and ask for something. It has to be continuous. The fight for the Tiprasa people will not be won in one election. The fight for Tipraland will not be won in one election or one slogan. The fight for our existence and survival has to be won on a daily basis. And the first thing you can do is improve you yourself. You become the weapon. You become your own change. I want to thank the TSF. Paul, I know you will speak after this. मैंने तो सब बोल दिया बात प्रॉब्लम पे गिर जाओगे. लेकिन Paul, I know, I trust you. You're a good man. I wish I had more leaders like you in Tipra Math House. I wish we have more people like you in Tiprasa society also. So, I may not be around. मैं पूरा जिंदगी तो रहूँगा नहीं. मैं कितना दिन रहूँगा वो भी मैं जानता नहीं. पॉलिटिक्स में ज़्यादा दिन नहीं रहूँगा जैसा चल रहा है. लेकिन if you can be honest and truthful to our people here, Karamchara and the whole of Tripura, if you remain the way you are, pure, honest, sincere, whether Bubagra is in politics or not, Bubagra will support Paul Tangshu, the person who is trying to help our people. Same thing goes to you, Hamar, Vibhas, to everyone, to Lawrence. I met you in 1990. It's been 34 years. I was a small boy. I know your daughter. And you are a committed person. You had frustrations. I have had frustrations. But our challenge is now to let go of our frustration and stand in positivity and in unity for our people. Every day, everyone will one day die. But before you die, you will ask yourself one question. What did I achieve? अपने लोगों को कुछ दिया, we contributed something historical for our people. That is an achievement which people will remember after you are no longer alive. And that is what I want for my people and for myself. Having said all that, I again wish all of you all a wonderful fresher. I think you want to meet me in the evening. Tomorrow I'm leaving. I wish you a wonderful fresher. To all my guests who are from outside, Belaino Hambai, We say we are very welcoming people of Tripura. जो भी बाहर से आते हैं, we welcome you. इनफैक्ट इतना वेलकम किया कि हम ही अपने घर में अतिथि बन गए, ठीक है. But we welcome you. Please have our food. Please appreciate our dances. Please go and tell other people that Tripura is an indigenous state. Tripura is a state which was run by the Tiprasa people. And for 75 years हम लोग पीछे चले गए हैं, लेकिन this generation can change for the next 100 years if we stay united. Belai belai ka hum bhai, I love you, all of you. Can you see love me back?
Love you too.
I love you.
Love you too.
Love you more. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay happy. TSF, I love you. Tiprasa.